everybody. Today I take your grammar class and the first chapter of grammar is sentence. So first of all we have to come to know that is what is called a sentence. That is, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sentence by itself. So words, what is words? That is some letters if we put one after another and if we make a complete sentence, that is called word. That is ACT, not word. The CAT word, that is it has a meaningful word. So a sentence is a group of words that has a complete sense, that is called a sentence. Meaning, that is Ram is a good boy, this is sentence. They are playing football, this is sentence. And now we have to come, the sentence has two parts, that is subject and predicate. That is, rose is a beautiful flower. Here rose is subject, is a beautiful flower. Predicate. What is called subject? The subject of a sentence is the person or thing that performs the action which is being spoken about. And what is called predicate? The predicate is that part of a sentence that tells us something about the subject. So what is called subject? The subject of a sentence is the person or thing that performs the action or which is being spoken about. And what is called predicate? The predicate is that part of a sentence that tells us something about the subject. That is, Ram is a good boy. Who is a good boy? Subject. That is Ram. So Ram here subject. And who is a good boy? Ram. And what kind of is a good boy is said about Ram. So this is predicate. Okay. A sentence generally contains three main things, that is subject, verb, object. That is, the cow gives us milk. The cow subject gives verb, milk, object. Okay? And this is subject predicate, subject performs the action, predicate describes the subject. There are four types of sentence, that is declarative, imperative, exclamatory, interrogative. Declarative or assertive statement, statement. And there are two types of declarative sentence, affirmative, negative. That is, Sita is a good girl, and that is negative, Shotish is not a rich man, that is negative. Not hoga to negative, without not, that is affirmative. Imperative, there are many kinds of imperative, that is command, advice, request, warning. Which sentence indicates this, that is called imperative sentence. That is command, sit down, command, request, please give me a glass of water. Advice, don't run on the sun. Warning, don't spit on the floor. This is imperative sentence. And exclamatory is surprise, happiness, sadness, strong emotions, that is called exclamatory sentence. And there is a exclamatory sentence, that is one dash, and one below this there is a dot, that is called exclamatory sentence. Symbol, exclamatory sentence. How big the snake is, exclamatory. Interrogative is the sentence which interrogates, which asks something, that is called interrogative. Interrogative, that is two types of interrogative, that is yes, no, or WH question. Yes, no means do you go to the market, that is no or yes answer. And WH question, what is your name, who is your father, where do you go, where do you come from, this and this. Or question tags hocche, you are a naughty boy, question tags. If there is affirmative sentence, question tag is negative. If you have a negative sentence, the question tag is positive. That is, you are not rich, are you? This is question tags. Now I come to the definition of declarative sentence or statement. The sentences that declare a fact or a statement are called declarative sentences. They are also called assertive sentence also. Declarative sentences are of two types, affirmative or positive, that is, and negative. Mohit likes to eat vegetables, that is affirmative. And Mohit does not like to eat vegetables, negative. Imperative sentence is a sentence that makes a request, gives information, instruction, warning, or an advice is called an imperative sentence. Okay. Generally, imperative sentences begin with a verb in case of common and comma and with please command. In case of command, imperative sentence begins with a verb in case of command and with please in case of making request. Come here at once, command. Please give me a glass of water, that is request. Okay. Interrogative sentence means interrogative sentences are sentences that ask a question or and these types question just now I discussed yes no question, WH question, and this is interrogative sentence. Question tags, positive sentence have negative tag, negative sentence have positive tags. Okay, that is he is a good boy. Tag question tag is he, and negative hoche they are not happy, are they. This is if the sentence is negative, question tags positive. If the sentence is positive, question tags negative. Okay. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are those that express strong emotions like surprise, anger, excitement and happiness. Such sentences are end with an exclamatory mark. That is exclamatory mark. I show you after that. What a dirty place it is. How fast the man walks. These and these are called. So now I discuss you what is sentence and how many kinds of sentences are there, and I totally broadly I discuss this, and so I show you this introduction and then I come to the question answer. Grammar chapter 1 sentences. Exercise C, that is underline the subject in each given sentence and use it as the object to form a make sentence. Underline the subject. You must follow your book and see the question number C. Underline the subject in each given sentence and use it as object to form a new sentence. That is, I write only answers. And you show 2 number. An architect builds bridges. That is, an architect is a subject. This subject you put in an object and make a sentence. That is, this beautiful building is made by an architect. Okay. This furniture is new. That is, furniture object में चला जाएगा. My father bought a new furniture. Okay. And number 4, that is the maglev is a superfast train. Answer, he went to China by the superfast train, the maglev. 5, Queen Victoria ruled over England. The Victorian era was known by the name of Queen Victoria. 6, movie stars entertain audience. Answer, the young boys were excited to see the movie stars. 7, our telephone has the internet facility. My father has bought a new telephone in our house. Cherries are sweet and sour in taste. That is, we like to eat cherries. Vijay Mallya owns Kingfisher Airlines. Kingfisher Airlines is owned by Vijay Mallya. 10. Louis Braille was a blind teacher. The Braille system was invented by Louis Braille. Children must help the old people cross the road. Wrote some stories for children. Okay, this is question number C. And now I come to question number A. Circle the subject and underline the predicate in the sentences. The bowler hit the wickets with one shot. Bowler subject hit the wickets with the one shot. Marvin is my best friend. Marvin subject is my best friend. Object, a predicate. Mother lost her pearl necklace in the party. Mother subject lost her pearl necklace in the party. Predicate. Ross, who lives near my house, plays tennis at the club. Ross, who lives near my house, of subject, this is predicate. The ringmaster controls the animals in the circus. Ringmaster subject controls animals in the circus. Predicate. Oswald the octopus is an educative cartoon. Oswald the octopus subject is an educative cartoon. Predicate. My water bottle is empty. My water bottle subject is empty. Predicate. The sun is a big star. The sun subject is a big star. Object. A butterfly comes out of a cocoon. The butterfly subject comes out of a cocoon. Predicate. Carpenters make furniture. Carpenter subject make furniture. Object. The waiter, object predicate. The waiter is serving food. The waiter subject is serving food predicate. Mothers have silvery wings. Moths have silvery wings. Moth subject has silvery wings predicate. The river is flowing down the mountain. The river subject is flowing down the mountain predicate. Number D. Match the subject which is predicate. John Milton, William Wordsworth, Ruskin Bond, Arkinanayan, Mulraj Anand, William Shakespeare, Dr. Seuss. John Milton was a blind poet. 1. William Wordsworth was a nature poet. 2. Ruskin Bond writes books for children. 3. Arkinanayan wrote the Malgudi Days. Mulraj Anand wrote the novel Guide. William Shakespeare was a playwright. Dr. Seuss has written The Cat in the Hat. Okay, this is D. Now I show you, I repeat these exercises. That is number 1, numbers 2. This beautiful building, that is you make subject, underline subject and make a sentence in the place of object with this subject. That this beautiful building is made by an architect. My father bought a new furniture. He went to China by the superfast train, the Maglev. The Victorian era was known by the name of Queen Victoria. The young boys were excited to see the movie stars. My father has bought a new telephone in our house. We like to eat cherries. Kingfisher Airlines is owned by Vijay Mallya. The Braille system was invented by Louis Braille. Ruskin Bond wrote some stories for children. Circle the subject and underline the predicate. The Bollard subject, predicate. Marvin is my best friend. Marvin's subject is my best friend, predicate. Mother lost her pearl necklace. Mother's subject lost her pearl necklace in the party, predicate. Ross, who lives near my house, plays tennis at the club. Ross, who lives near my house, subject, predicate. The ringmaster subject controls the animals in the circus, predicate. Oswald the octopus subject is an indicative cartoon, predicate. My water bottle is empty. Water bottle subject is empty, predicate. The sun is a big star. Sun subject is a big star, predicate. A butterfly comes out of a cocoon. Butterfly subject comes out of a cocoon, predicate. Carpenters make furniture. Carpenter subject with furniture, predicate. The waiter subject is serving food, predicate. Moths have silvery wings. Moth subject have silvery wings, predicate. The river subject is flowing down the mountain. River subject flowing down the mountain, predicate. Match the subject with this predicate. John Milton was a blind poet. William Wordsworth was a nature poet. Ruskin Bond writes books for children. Arkinanayan wrote the Malgudi Days. Mulraj Anand has wrote the novel Guide. William Shakespeare was a playwright. Dr. Seuss has written Cat in the Hat. So I show you the pictures once or 2 seconds. So now in this class I discuss what is called sentence and parts of sentence and kinds of sentence, how many kinds of sentence are there, and I discuss all these things in your class, and I do some exercises also, exercise A, B and D, and next day I will do other exercises, and you must homework exercise C, exercise B, you must do exercise B, you must do at home. Okay, now I complete this chapter, and next day I do some exercises also. Okay, thank you. Today I complete all this chapter. Next day I will start I will do other things based on this chapter. Okay, thank you.